Everyone, this is a tutorial on how you're going to use Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel has different versions. Depending on your version, it's all going to be the same, but this is 2010, so it's set up in tab format. So this is your graphing format paper set up by PCI. The easiest way to fill out this information is there are different ways of doing it. One, you can left click and drag across, highlight each cell, and you can either fill in the information that way, or fill in the blocks, or you can do it again and right click and gives you the option to fill in blocks here as well. All versions of Excel will do that. Quick way of getting rid of that would go back to your block here and hit no fill, or I can hit Control Z on my keyboard, which gives me the undo function. Or you also have undo function right here. Now say you want to insert an object, say in a line or a circle or whatever. You go to your insert capabilities or a tab or function and you hit shapes. Again, you see different shapes. I'm going to do an arrow for you guys. So you give my cursor and you left click and drag. And there's my cursor, my shape you put in, which is your arrow, or my arrow. I can actually click, and you see how it gives you this formatting capability, a format tool. You can either use this tool, again I can come here and change the color around, or I can actually go in that tool and right click, and you get the format capabilities as well. So if I want to change things around, I can go down here to say format shape, and it gives you this option here. So this is the shape. You see I inserted it. So again, to insert, I go to the insert tab, or insert function, go to shapes. Here I'm going to do a square for you. Again, you see my cursor is set up. I left click and drag, you see my shape fills in. That fills into shape, it's a solid shape. If you don't want a solid shape, you can always go to shape fill and go no fill. And there's how your shape is translucent. So there's different ways you can fill it out. A quick way of getting rid of this information is you can click on it, right click and say cut. Or you can hit Control Z. Control Z does undoes everything you do. I like using keyboard shortcuts, or you can click on the function. Now, if you need help with how to use Excel, the easiest way to do it is hit F1 on your keyboard. F1 brings up Excel help, and you can type in a search block right here of what you're looking for. Again, so real quick overview. If you want to insert functions, go to Insert, Pictures, Clip Art, or Shapes. I'll do a shape. Let's do a square. Again, left click and drag, and there's your square. Hit Control Z, undo. This is Excel. It's just like Excel or Office.org or OpenOffice. Same thing. So again, you can come in here and I can type different things. So there's lots of things you can do with Excel. But for the functions of graphing and doing circuits, circuit layouts, the easiest way to do it is go to the Insert function, Shapes, and you have different options here. So you can do like an elbow arrow. So I'll go here, I can shape it this way. As you can see, recolor it so you can see it better. So you can see how it makes an elbow function. So these are the few things you can do with Excel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you out and how you can use this graphing paper. It's just a basic plain sheet. It's basically set up for the graphing capability, and you can use it to graph out or draw out or sketch out different things like circuit diagrams, pictures, so on and so forth. And again, if you have any questions, hit F1 for help, and then all else, if you can't figure it out, all else fails, go to Google. Have fun, guys.